shopping for food. Today is Saturday and it is shopping day. My mother and I go to the supermarket every Saturday morning. The supermarket is near our house, so we walk there. First we make a shopping list. We need many things this week. We buy fresh vegetables like carrots, potatoes and onions. Then we go to the fruit section. We buy apples, bananas and a big watermelon. My mother wants some milk and cheese for breakfast. I want some chocolate and cookies, but she says only one. We also buy some bread and eggs. After we finish shopping, we go to the cashier. There is a long queue today. We wait for 10 minutes. Finally, we pay for everything and carry the bags home. Shopping is a bit tiring, but it's also fun. Now our fridge is full of healthy food.